Hello everyone. In this session, we'll discuss a question on curl of a vector. So it says determine if f given as x square y plus xyz j minus x square y square k is a conservative vector field, right? So this field is given and we have to determine whether this is conservative or not. So what can we do is we know a concept that once the field is conservative, the curl of that field will become 0, right? This is what we know, and that makes it irrotational also. So in that case, in short, we have to find the curl of this vector and we have to check whether it is non-zero or 0. So curl of f, this will be I j k dx dy dz x square y x y z and minus x square y square, right? In that case, we'll get the I component as, let's write it. This will be d of minus x square y square of dy minus d of x y z dz minus j times of dz, or we can, since we have already mentioned minus, let's do it for dx minus x square y square minus d of dz x square y and plus, let's write it here, I'm writing it here, let's write it here itself, plus k times of dxyz by dx minus dx square y by dy, right? These are the three components we'll have and we can see what we will get. So it is curl of f equal to, the first term will be minus 2x square y and another one will be minus of xy, right? Minus of xy. So we'll get, let's say, this will be minus 2x square y minus xy for the I component. Second one is for j. This is with respect to x, this will become minus of 2xy square and this minus will become plus, and then this term has nothing in terms of z, so this will be 0. So minus and minus becomes plus and this will become 2xy square. So it is plus 2xy square j. Third one is This one will give yz. This will be yz minus, this will be minus x square. So this is plus yz minus x square k cap. And obviously we can see this is non-zero. So this, we can see this curl is non-zero. So the field is not conservative. Or also we can say, or it is rotational, if they're asking like that, right? We had to find each elements one by one. Like the first element was minus 2x square y, second element was minus xy, and this is minus 2x y square. This was 0, this is this, this is this. That's it. We had to arrange it and we have to check that it is not going to be 0. So this gives the function is, or the field vector is non-conservative.